Today, we're going to be talking about the top Mercari listing tricks that I've been using for years and have been able to get plenty of success. If you guys don't know, Mercari is one of those platforms where you have a love and hate relationship. When it comes to Mercari, I used to really not like Mercari because of the whole fact that they wouldn't release my funds until I had a rating or until somebody rated me. Now, this became very interesting and frustrating to me because as somebody that is used to receiving their money with eBay or even Amazon almost instantly, it is something that took some getting used to. Now, if you're somebody that has been selling on Mercari or you're just started, no matter what, I'm sure you want to continue to make sales and make more and more money, right? Well, while yes, I do too. I'm not perfect. I continue to try and scale my Mercari just as much as I continue to try and scale every business that I own. We are going to go over some listing tips that I think a lot of people don't necessarily do. And the first thing I want to do is talk to you guys about something, and I want to give clear direction on this. And this is something that I advise people to do that are busy. You work a lot. I have some students that don't even have time to really go home and try and ship or even resell packages in general. Like, they don't have no time to take pictures of products, and they don't have no time to do any of that. Right now, if you don't have no time, that is kind of absurd. Now, let me explain to you why I say that, because everybody has time to do something. And if you feel as if you're too busy to be able to operate the business, don't start it. But I will say this, a lot of us are busy, but we're not too busy because we always have an off day. And if you don't have an off day, build a schedule where you'll be able to do something for yourself. Don't ever just be satisfied just working a 9 to 5, okay? Always work on something you'll always be able to control. Now, when it comes to what I'm saying about this whole control and not having time factor, it is the picture portion of Mercari. What do I mean? I mean this, right? A lot of us, we like to go in Mercari and we like to take our own pictures. Let's be real. Like, I like taking my own pictures too. Well, I used to. I don't do it anymore. And sometimes they come out like this. Sometimes they end up coming out like this. No matter what, a lot of people, they end up just taking their own pictures. Now, why is it important? It's important to talk about pictures because I do tell people to copy pictures. I do. Now, if you're going to copy pictures, what I recommend is if you are selling something like an electronic or something like this, prime example, right? Something literally like this or like this that has a background of, I guess, somebody's table or something, or coffee tablecloth, I don't know, but you can always go to eBay if you're bothered with taking other people's pictures from Mercari and get pictures there. You can even go on Google, but you don't actually have to take the pictures yourself. You don't. That's like one of my favorite tips because it saves me so much time. Now, let me break it down. If I was taking pictures myself, I would have to be stationary for about an hour and a half to take all of the pictures for all of the products and different variants of the products that I have. Prime example, if I have adapters, I have several adapters, right? Hundreds of adapters. Now, if I was to actually take pictures of those adapters in 4 bundles, 3 bundles, 2 bundles, 5 bundles, 20 bundles, 10 bundles, 15 bundles, like, it would take me a long time. So what I do is I see what people are selling in bundles already, and I also see what's sold. So I'll give you an example. Right? Let's go and take this post since we clicked on it from the beginning. Pack of 3 iPhone wall chargers. We'll go ahead and we'll take that. We'll copy that. We'll go and hit sold. Okay. Now what it will show me is a whole bunch of different bundles. And what I mean by I take the pictures is I already see the pictures of the posts that have sold already. And then I can go further and go to sorted by new. And I can see what has sold immediately. Literally what has sold recently. Right? Now, this is great because see, I see this, I have 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 this. I see all of these products that I have. I don't have this, and I don't think I have this one, but I got all the other ones. Now all I got to do is copy them and literally list them for a 50 cents difference or the same price and still be able to sell just like these other sellers have. Now, prime example, I look for repetitive ones, right? So I see that this one has sold recently twice. This one has 2. So let's go and take that. We're going to go take this one. We're going to take this one. And we're going to go and we're going to list them. Okay. Now, what I would do is I would legitimately take this, but we have a problem. Somebody has taken this picture from Amazon and not even cropped it out. So we're going to go and do something else. Let me show you how not to do something tacky like that. What we're going to do is we're going to actually go and we're going to open Canva. Now we're going to open Canva, and Canva is a paid photo editing website. But what I use this mainly for is one thing only, is for me to be able to edit my products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull it up and we're going to edit something with this product. We're going to see if we can actually do this so that the product looks better. Okay. Because right now, if I'm being honest with you guys, this is horrible. Okay. Horrible. So boom, we have Canva up. Okay. Now Canva's up. We're going to go and we're going to crop that little Amazon thing out. Right. And then we're going to center it. Okay. Centered. Now what we're going to do is we got to take this 30 watt out because our products don't have that. So we're going to go here. We're going to go to Magic Eraser. We're going to then erase these 3 in W. So this is another tip. Use Canva to be able to erase different things on products that you don't have, right? So we did that. Great. Now we can also go ahead and crop if we wanted to crop it, just to make sure we can crop that. All right. So now we cropped it. Now we can go ahead and we can just save it. Boom. And that is a simple way to fix this whole picture aspect, because that's a horrible, like, what the heck? They didn't even take the time to crop anything out. Wow. Huh. That's interesting. So what we're going to do, we're not going to put any of those pictures. We're going to go phone charger. So we're going to take that, and it used to be a sell now button here. But it's right here now. We're going to take that, but hold on. We don't want to actually do that. We want to open a new tab because we still have unfinished business with that one. We're going here. Okay, we're gonna go and we're gonna hit not sure what the brand is, new. And then when it comes to free shipping, guys, so let me slow down. We put the picture, we let the description be the same type of description that it was already on the product that just sold. But when it comes to the condition, we hit not used, fair, poor, good. No, we hit new because we only really sell new products. Now when it comes to brand, I don't ever put a brand. I always put not sure. When it comes to shipping, that is where we're having a bit of a hardship, because if I was to price this at the $6 that it sold for, we'll be making $5.40 without shipping. But if we hit offer free shipping, we're making 1 cent. So we have to actually have them pay for shipping now. I don't mind it. I feel like them paying for shipping is not bad. We're also going to raise this price to $7, and then we can list. Now, when it comes to shipping, guys, I don't mind having a customer pay for shipping anymore, because there's a huge problem in our tariffs and in the world just in general, and shipping can't be fulfilled with every product, especially if the price that you're giving them is price friendly. All right, so let's go ahead and try one more listing and recap. Remember, if you are copying the picture and you see that there is a discrepancy, don't ever hesitate to use Canva to erase that discrepancy. But also never ever hesitate to find, all right, this product, look at this, $7 delivery. Now we can take this picture. We're going to take all of these pictures, guys, and then similar item. This is so easy, guys. You could literally do this wherever you're at. Boom. Right? And then look, not sure what the brand is. New. No free shipping. We can sell it for 10. What did this person sell it for? 8. So we're going to sell ours for 7. Boom. List. It is that easy. That is literally how you can list products and get them sold immediately. Go to Mercari right now. Whatever products you have, go look them up on Mercari. Hit the sold button. Look to see most recent sales. If the product that you have right now in your possession is in the top 8 rows, copy the listing, copy the picture, go on Canva for free, delete whatever is on that picture that you don't have, and then just list it. An offer, no free shipping. Make them pay for shipping, take your profit, sell that product. You guys, I didn't want to make this video too complicated. I just really want to show you the method that you can make literally on your phone while you're at work, when it's not busy. Literally, if you're at the gym and you're waiting to get in the game or whatever, you can literally get this done, guys. There's no excuses. There's no excuses. And again, to all of my Mercari master sellers, I'm sorry for the elementary video to some, but I wanted to break down the basics because, again, this is some things that a lot of people don't know. And it's not bad that you don't know, because some people make it they make people feel bad for copying the pictures. I don't. I think that copying the pictures is more efficient because I already see that those pictures work and they copy those pictures from somebody. You know what I mean? So that's how I scale my listings on Mercari when it is a product that I have. Now, I do a more in-depth tutorial coming very shortly, and we'll go ahead and take a deep dive in Mercari as a whole. But I wanted to bring this to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys continue to make money work for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.